Ensure the device's Bluetooth is turned on for network configuration. The screen needs to be connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Open the S-Bluefy app. Tap the first option, then click the Connect button below. The app will automatically detect the Wi-Fi name and password. Confirm they are correct, then click Confirm. Exit the app and go to the Wi-Fi selection menu. Connect to the Wi-Fi network named Test. Finally, open My Application to complete the configuration. The system uses 6 different weights to calibrate the pump, so that the output accuracy is within 1 gram. Add ingredients. Dispense the cup. Cleaning standards. Start with a rinse using clean water to activate the sanitizer to clean and soak. Rinse with hot water and soak. Rinse again with clean water. Separate the pipes from the materials, then reinstall them into the milk tea machine. Prepare a bucket of water. Place one end of the 2 cleaning pipes into the bucket and connect the other end to the cleaning port. Remove the cup holder. Place a bucket beneath the dispensing port to collect the cleaned water. Set the ozone disinfection time and motor cleaning time. Once settings are complete, press Start Cleaning. The machine will automatically release ozone and begin cleaning the pipes. After pipe cleaning, clean the sugar tank. Pour in clean water. Use a brush to clean the inside of the tank. Select Motor 1 or Motor 2 for individual cleaning. Press Start. Once all water is drained, press End. Use a dry towel to wipe off any remaining water. Close the lid and push it back into place. After completing the 4 cleaning steps, remove the bucket and return the cup holder. Cleaning is complete.